I will soon show you the characters of faithfulness, because a faithful man shows up all the time. Whether you feel like it or you don't feel like it, a faithful man what? Shows up. So that character of faithfulness is consistency. You must show up. Like, it's just like for your business to increase or to grow, boy, won't you show up? Are there not days? There's something you don't know. That day you woke up and rain fell and everybody is inside. That's the day to make money. Because everybody is inside, that's why if you are outside, people will be looking for you. Go and check it. The shops that open when rain falls, they always sell everything. Is that not true? You have to show up. Let's assume it is prayer. You can gain authority in prayer in the days you don't feel like. Go and mark it. That day you are tired in prayer or fast and showed up, my sister, that's the day God will grant you authority. You will notice that if you come to that barrier again next time, it will not be as hard as it used to be. That means there is I'm not saying you will not feel the impact. There is a level of authority and dominion you have been given on that matter. Are you with me? Consistency in this case means two things. Number one, that you will keep to a routine. Number two, at the same intensity. You see, can I tell you something? Some people show up at less intensity or little or no intensity. It's better you stay back. That's the mistake people make. You see, what you are doing is fulfilling all righteousness. That is not actually being consistent. So consistency is not just in appearing. It is that, are you getting what I'm saying? Can I give you an example? You people teach this thing now. Let's assume you eat chicken, KFC chicken. You eat the one. Let's assume you eat the one in Owerri and eat the one at Oka. Are you following me now? There is a reason why people go for it anywhere they see it. You can decide to buy roadside, though it will be bigger. I hope you know you can buy bigger one and cheaper one on the road. But the challenge is that you cannot testify of the consistency in taste, which is quality, which is the amount of input you bring in. Though you are consistent in appearing, your input has to also be consistent. So many times, people has broken the demand of appearing in routine, but sometimes when they come, they give almost less or nothing. Yes, I accept the fact that the man that appeared at all has already gained something different from the man that did not appear. Are you following me? Nevertheless, it is not yet consistency until you keep hitting the same crescendo. Day in, day out. You are hitting the same what? Crescendo. You are hitting it. You are hitting it. Any result or no result, people respond or they don't respond. People power move or no move, gain or no gain, reward or no reward, praise or no praise. You are hitting the same crescendo. You are hitting the same crescendo. You are hitting it. You are showing up. You are hitting it. You are showing up. You are hitting it. You are what? And showing up. And you are doing what? Showing. And again. And again. And this cuts across every aspect of life, more so spiritually. Just that the spiritual one is a little bit harder, because if it is physical, you can have an authentic literal mark that is physically discernible. But spiritually, you will need the movements of the Holy Spirit within your inner man. Is that not so? To know when you have hit the crescendo. You know what I'm saying. The reason why God insisted sometimes that you pray 1 more hour more than you normally pray is because according to their calculation, you have not hit the crescendo that will register a consistency. It's not that they wanted to add more hour. Are you seeing it now? It's just that the consistency you have been producing, somehow it dropped today. And for us to cater for it, we added more time. So that in more time, you will produce more intensity. If you're with me so far, say amen.